This is number 4. 4th time I have recorded this. G'day my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kathy and today I have an unboxing from Nursery to you. In fact, I recorded the unboxing, I think it was last week, and this is the 4th time I have recorded this intro and outro. The weather has been so gloomy and dark in Melbourne. It's been raining cats and dogs all week that every time I've tried to record, the footage hasn't come out. Anyway, I don't know if you guys are even interested in hearing the trials and tribulations of YouTubers, but there you go. Oh, and my hair, I dyed it last week actually, and within a week it has faded to this strange color. I am so unimpressed by this dye. I think the brand is called Adore, and I will definitely not be using them again. Anyway, I digress, as always. Okay, now I don't know if people know this, but Melbourne was in lockdown yet again. Yeah, 4th time. And initially it was meant to be for 7 days and it got extended to 14. I don't know if others do this, but it seems every time we are in lockdown, I have this irresistible urge to go online and look at plants and order plants. And that's what I did. Of course, didn't I? I don't know if it's a comfort thing or because I know I can't go anywhere, because we never do things by halves in Australia. When we have lockdowns, they are really strict. Regardless, I ended up ordering some plants, and as far as I'm concerned, if that's what helps me get through lockdown, then so be it. Anyway, the truth is though that I did a count recently of all my plants, and even though I bought several in April, which I showed you guys a couple of weeks ago, I am still down to 75 or 76 plants because I've killed so many. And unfortunately, the genus which suffered the most at my hands is my beloved peperomias. So you might be shocked to learn that there are no peperomias in this order. Now, I recorded this unboxing last week. The footage is a little grainy, so forgive me for that, but as I said, I am relying on sunlight and sometimes the weather does not cooperate. I'll insert that footage now and then I'll come back and talk to you about the plants. It's cold. It's the first day of winter. And yep, you're right, I have a box here because, well, I'm blaming lockdown this time. The box looks quite big considering the plants I bought. I'm going to start opening the box, but this time I'm ready. I got my bag for all the packing peanuts. Let's get started. Ah, cool. Well, that was easy. And yes, packing peanuts. I knew it. This you do not have to watch. Okay. So I've taken out some of them because it looks like they've all been sticky taped down this end. And be very careful that I don't actually cut the plants. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's bloody cold today. It's winter. First day of winter, actually. Okay, I had to move the box so I had a bit more room here. And I didn't open the plants. I thought we'd do that together. They're wrapped up in this bubble wrap and sticky taped. And, oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that adorable? This is a Sansevieria or Dracaena Lotus Hahnii. Oh, isn't she just gorgeous? I love her. Oh, what a kitty. I do love Sansevierias, you guys know that. And I'm constantly looking for new varieties that I don't have. And I really like this one. Does look like a lotus, doesn't it? There's a little bit of damage, probably because of shipping, but that's okay. The rest of it looks really good. It's a small little plant, but it's just gorgeous. It's got a good root system too. That's a mesh. Yeah, I'm going to be removing that when I repot her. But, oh, lovely. What do you guys think? I know not everyone loves Sansevierias, but I do. And I love them mostly, I think, because they have such an unusual structure. And secondly, because they're so easy. For me, anyway. I always find it surprising when people tell me they struggle with Sansevierias because basically you leave them alone. And if I check them and they're dry, I'll still wait. I'll wait, say, another week before I give them any water because they're fine. Their leaves are so thick and hard, and this one, it's quite firm. So clearly it doesn't need any water. In fact, the roots are a little damp. They were posted, I should have said this earlier. The plants were posted yesterday, Monday, and I got them on the Tuesday. Beautiful though, isn't she? Ah, love her. Pardon me, but I'm still getting over my cold, so if my voice sounds really croaky, that's why. This is a baby Monstera adansonii. I received this as a bonus because I had spent so much in my order. They always send you bonus plants, which is really nice. And I actually have a carer who wants an adansonii, so I think I'm going to gift it to her. But such a cutie. They always are when they're babies. They're such tough plants, this. They really are. Okay, the next one, I have been eyeing this one on their website for a very long time. It just looks adorable. It is a Calathea crocata. I've never seen them before. Oh, it's just adorable. Reminds me a bit of the Roofie Barber, which I really love. And this one, it's such a little cutie. It's just a baby. Yeah, there's a couple of dead leaves down the bottom, but that's all right. Looks very healthy as always. And it's just so cute. Tell me that isn't the most adorable thing. I hope I can keep it alive. I'm going to do my very best. But this was one of the reasons I placed the order, because I've been eyeing it for such a long time. And when I saw it had dropped in price, I thought, I'm definitely going to get it. So cute. Oh, okay. I got a second bonus plant, and that is this, a baby Brasil. How cute is that? Now, I don't know if you guys remember, I bought a Brasil from Maytharani Plants at least 7 months ago, which was in abysmal condition. I actually looked at it just yesterday. It has recovered, but slowly. And it still looks a little pathetic, to be honest. But there is room in the pot for more cuttings, which I was intending to take in spring. So I think I'm going to add this one to that pot, so it can look a little fuller, because I still think it looks very sad. But this is a nice, healthy plant, much healthier than the one I bought. And it's got a new leaf coming out and a good sized leaf. They're not cheap, the Brazils, so it's really generous of Nursery to you to send me a bonus plant for free, basically. So instead of 5 plants, I think I received 7. Oh, wow. I keep forgetting about the bonus plants. Now, next. Oh, it's so cute. This is a Fittonia white Starlight. It's adorable. It has such tiny little leaves. I actually have been intending to get one. I was going to get one from Bunnings if we didn't go into lockdown, because I'm going to be making a terrarium. God knows why, because I always fail with them. And in fact, the last Fittonia I had, I killed eventually. But it did live for probably 8 months. Regardless, I wanted a Fittonia for the terrarium. And I saw this one, so I thought, why not? We will give this one a go. The leaves are just tiny. It's actually quite a full little plant. It's very cute. I don't know if the leaves will get any bigger or if this is what they're going to look like all the time. I guess we'll find out. But I'm not intending to keep this outside of a terrarium. I know they can be a bit of a diva plant sometimes. So that is number, well, I've lost track, 4. Anyway, next. Now this was the only one that was wrapped in paper. And I think I know what this one is. Oh yeah, it is. I must have been to protect it because it's also wrapped in the bubble wrap. Oh. Oh. Look at that. This is a Oxalis triangularis or purple shamrock. Wow, this color. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. This one is stunning. And it's actually flowering. How adorable is that? They do look like butterflies. Seriously, they do. I know it looks a little sad, but it will perk up once I've repotted it. It is just beautiful. This colour is incredible. Oh, I've been wanting one for quite some time, and I'm very happy I finally got it. It was a reasonable price too. I will be putting all the names of the plants and the prices I paid in my description box below for anyone who's interested. Very healthy root system, and she is adorable. I hope that shipping hasn't stressed her out, but once I put her in a pot, I think she will be okay. I have heard these are hardy and that they go dormant, but I think they go dormant in summer. I don't know. I need to do a little bit more research about her, but I think they like to dry out. But isn't she adorable? Nice and healthy too. Oh, just so cute and flowering. Oh my goodness. I love it when they're flowering. Jesus. Okay, I can't get over this last one. I'm not going to show you because I'm going to give it away. You're going to wait until I open it. Holy shit. She's massive. I did not expect her to be this big. You guys ready? Okay. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at her. And then look at the back. Holy cow. She is gigantic. I can't get over how big she is. Her leaves are huge. And the colouring is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay. I think I want to spend the next hour just staring at her leaves because they are just so beautiful. Oh, and I should show you the roots actually. They're nice and healthy. I think this is a 13 centimetres pot. And yet, look at the size of her. She is a stunner, isn't she? I'm going to put her down, even though I don't want to. I just want to stare at her for another hour. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was my Calathea Pikachu. How stunning is she? I just love her leaves. I did not expect it to be this big. Who did? Just stunning. I just love the markings on her leaves. They don't have any pink, which I prefer, just that lighter colour around the edge. She's a stunner. Tell me what you think. Have you even seen her in person? Because I never have. But I have seen her online and I always wanted to get her because I thought she looks really gorgeous. but she looks so much better in person. Oh, what a stunner. I can't get over it. Wow. The Calatheas, who are notorious for being divas, they seem to have shipped very, very well. So I'm really happy with that. I have to show you her again because seriously, and she's perfect. She doesn't even have one damaged leaf. Incredible. Oh, just once more. Just look at her. So gorgeous. Oh. Can I say that I am still madly in love with that Calathea Pikachu? It is gorgeous. Seriously gorgeous. And really, I probably should have waited to do my prayer plant collection video, but I didn't anticipate buying more plants at this time of year because we are in winter now in Melbourne. I must say that the plants I get from Nursery to You are always gorgeous and in very good condition. And I love that they send you bonus plants. It's so generous of them. Plus they also sent me another sachet of slow release fertilizer. I have no hesitation in recommending Nursery to You to anyone. In 3 orders, I have always been ecstatically happy with the plants. And they do sometimes have unusual plants you can't really find anywhere else. I find their prices are reasonable. The shipping can be a little expensive, but you expect that with shipping today. They are based in Queensland and I prefer to buy locally when I can, but when I looked online at Melbourne online shops, they didn't really have any plants I wanted. Or if they did, they had say one in one shop, one in another shop, and I didn't want to place multiple orders. As always, you know that I want to hear which one of my new plants is your favorite, and you can let me know down in the comments or on Instagram. I don't know which one I love the best. Of course the bicajoux, because it is stunning, but I think part of that has to do with the size of the leaves. Regardless, I did not expect it to be that beautiful in person. It is just stunning. But then I also love the Oxalis and the Lotus Hahnii and the crocata. Oh, they're all beautiful. Please don't get me to choose because I can't. But I would like you guys to choose one or 2 or 3 or however many you like. Anyway, let me know your favorites. And if you guys have any care tips, you know I will never say no to any care tips that might help me keep these plants alive. Thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos, commenting, subscribing, liking them. Thank you. I hope you all have a beautiful day and a beautiful weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye. Anyway, shut up.
There is a reminder for Kathy.
Yes, I have purple hair. Holy moly. Okay. Yeah. Shit. Shit. Oh my God. Holy shit.